Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the vinegar cleanse. Recently, I've been trying out a lot of different products, trying to decipher whether or not I wanted to do videos on them, if I like the product, if I don't like it, what it's been doing to my hair. And with all of the new products, it has caused a bit of a buildup in my hair, so I decided to go ahead and do the vinegar cleanse, as you can see in this clip here. There's a lot of benefits to this cleanse. It actually helps to cleanse and clarify your hair by removing all buildup from your hair. It adds natural body to your hair and it helps define your curls. Some people who try the no poo movement also use this as well because it actually helps to detangle your hair. It reduces frizz. It adds shine, it helps stimulate hair growth and prevents hair loss. And one of the best things of all is it helps prevent hair loss and breakage. So I decided to do this type of cleanse because it doesn't take a lot of time, it's very inexpensive, and it's really easy to do. So all the ingredients you need is a cup of water, a spray bottle, and I use the White House Detox Organic Apple Cider Vinegar with Mother. When you're selecting your vinegar, you want to get the one that says with Mother because this still has a lot of the nutrients in the actual mixture. If you choose a vinegar that doesn't have that in it and it looks kind of clear, you're not really doing anything to your hair, and it's just best to get this one. So there are two ways that you can do this. Some people will shampoo and condition their hair first and then they'll spray the mixture on their hair. I decided not to do it that way. I like to go ahead and spray the mixture on my hair first. I'll let it sit in my hair for about 5 minutes and then I'll go ahead and shampoo and condition my hair, only because I have this thing with smells and I don't want my hair to smell like vinegar even though you're rinsing it out afterwards. That's just a personal preference for me. So after doing it today, my hair feels, I wouldn't say a lot lighter, but it does feel a lot fluffier. It's a lot softer. I can definitely tell that I did something to it. So when I start off, I go ahead and I spray the scalp of my hair first, and then I'll massage in the mixture. Then I'll start spraying in the middle into the ends of my hair, and I'll just do that to my entire head. I do kind of part my hair in some sections just to make it easier for me, but that's really it. After I coat my entire head, I'll let the mixture stay on my hair for about 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and shampoo and condition and style my hair like I normally would. This is how my hair actually turned out. It's not completely dry yet, but it does feel, you know, fluffy. It's definitely soft. I can definitely tell that I did something to it. I'm actually happy with this. This is only the second time that I did it, and I'm probably going to do it a lot more. Like I said, it doesn't take a lot of time. It's very inexpensive and it's really easy to do. This is just an easy way of resetting your hair. You can repeat this process anywhere from once a month to twice a week. It really just depends on your scalp issues. If you guys try this method, let me know how it goes for you. I hope you like this really short video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.